One of these days, he's gonna be able to go to bed on his own, right?
Ladies, better be working hard. You weren't hired for your looks. Actually, you were. Not you.
The reunion, you in? Seems like everyone's actually going.
Hey, guys! You made it!
What's up, class of 99ers?
We're gonna party together? Hell yeah. Just like old times. Let's make this reunion our bitch. Cheers!
Looks like a high school party.
With high school chicks. I love the Twilight books. New Moon is my favorite.
Mine too.
It's like we have so much in common.
It is so great to see all you kids back in town.
Where we go, I woke up this morning. Where's my car, where's my keys, where's my clothes?
You're a lucky man, Oz.
Hey, guys, do you need a stair?
Yes, we do need to stare.
Last night,
Where do you think you're going? Can you point in the direction you headed?
That way.
Were we just as obnoxious back in the day?
No, we were more mature.
What is he doing? Is he taking a... Pinch it off. You know, Dad, it's been 3 years. You think maybe it's time for you to get back out there?
Have a shot.
I don't think so, Stephen. I'm not,
Drink it, drink
No,
it,
no, no,
drink
I
it, drink it,
can't.
drink it, drink it.
Holy shit.
Jim, you do realize that the lid is see-through.
Good eye.
American Pie reunion.
Who might you be?
I'm Stifler's mom.
Oh, I'm Jim's dad.